Hello and welcome to The Chartist. I'm Trish Raj and today I'm going to give you a quick site tour. Firstly, I'm going to start on our menu bar across the top here and I'll highlight the news and articles section. In this section we upload a new article each week, anything from the beginner's cycle through to how Nick and I manage our own self-managed super fund. The next section we have videos. Click on this link and it'll take you to all the different videos we have. There's great information in this. There's many, so have a browse through, but I would highlight under the featured section here a 1-hour video titled What Makes a Successful Trader. This has been hugely popular. The next button on our menu bar is the forum. The Traders Forum is a great place for to ask questions, chat to other traders, or read about past topics that were discussed. You need to register to use the forum. This is our Traders Bookstore. We've got several sections. The first one here is books and DVDs by Nick Raj, including Unholy Grails, The Profitable Trader DVDs, and Adaptive Analysis. Next section, second-hand trading books. This is a great place to save money. We sell any trading book at 50% of recommended retail price or less, so you can often pick up some really good bargains here. The final section here is turnkey trading systems. Now this is AmiBroker coding for the trading systems that Nick discusses in Unholy Grails. The ASX blog is updated each day. It's just a very quick overview of what the Australian market is doing that day. Now I'm going to take you to the membership packages. These tabs here cover the different areas that you can subscribe to in the Chartist. Short-term trading is literally that. We call them our ASX and Global Power setups. These have an average trade length of around 2 weeks. Next section is for active investors. The growth portfolio is our self-managed super fund product, or for people looking for longer term investments. The average trade length is around 8 months, and this is our most popular product. Nick and I use this to manage our own super fund. The next section is chart research. This is an interesting area of the Chartist. Each night, Peter Hammersley, one of our analysts, analyses 3 Australian stocks in depth. He chooses stocks that are looking interesting, perhaps breaking out into a bullish or bearish pattern. And on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Scott Goddard reviews 3 major global industries such as gold, S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Index. To find out more about our membership prices, click on the package prices here and you come to the membership package table. On this page you'll find a list of our membership prices. Okay, so the ASX Power Setups, Global Power Setups and the chart research can all be accessed on a monthly basis, or you can subscribe to the whole site for $90 a month. The cheapest way is to go with a professional bundle where you get access to the whole site on an annual basis for $990, so that basically works out at 1 month free. If you would just like to have a look around and see what we do at the Chartist, then I recommend the $19 trial. It gives you access to the whole site and our resource section for 2 weeks. To choose any product, simply click on the price and you'll be taken to our subscription page. Fill in your details at the top here, including choosing a username and password. Step 2, choose a product. I'm going to pick the 2-week trial. Scroll down. Now don't forget to read these 4 legal documents. You've got our financial services guide, privacy statement, risk statement and confidentiality agreement. When you've read them, tick this box to say you agree, scroll down and choose a way to pay, either Visa or MasterCard here or pay by PayPal here. If you would like to pay by direct deposit, perhaps from a self-managed super fund account, email trish@thechartist.com.au and I will send you our bank details. Once you've purchased your subscription, you're now able to log in and view the analysis. Click the members login button here and the banner drops away. Put in your username and password and press enter. This takes you to our members dashboard. Up here you'll notice upcoming speaking engagements and any information that we need to pass on, such as Unholy Grails is now for sale. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see our resource library here that's packed with information for subscribers. Over on the right hand side is the access to all our analysis. At the top here you've got the chart research. Next section is the short-term power setups, longer-term growth portfolio and our new global macro portfolio, and then at the bottom here the self-managed super fund timer. If you are subscribed, say, just to the growth portfolio, but you click on the ASX Power Setups button, you'll be taken back to the subscription page because you don't have access to that. If you've got a professional bundle, you'll be able to access all areas. At the end of your session, just remember to hit the log out button here at the top and then say log out again. You can only be logged in on one computer at any time. Nick is now going to take you around the secure area and describe each of our products to you.
Once you have logged into the secure area, you'll come to the members dashboard, and it's from this dashboard that you can access every service offered by the Chartist. You can navigate your way to the various services by using the keys down the right hand side right here, or using this navigation bar is available on every page throughout the service, and you can always return to the members dashboard by selecting the home button at the top left hand corner. Also, this navigation bar has access to your subscription details, so if you wish to change your email address, your credit card details, manage your subscriptions or cancel your subscriptions, you can do so through this subscription page. The members dashboard also has other important information that may be of value to you. Upcoming speaking engagements are listed at the top. If we scroll further down, you can see that we have our links to our very popular Facebook page, our Twitter page, our YouTube channel, all the various times our services are updated through the day. Also direct access to our resource library, which contains extensive educational material and is always being updated. Our glossary, frequently asked questions, a very popular and long-standing forum, including a private subscriber forum, and also access to our bookstore. Since our inception in 2005, the Chartist has evolved from a pure technical research product to full advisory servicing traders and investors alike. In broad terms, the Chartist can be divided into two key areas. Firstly, the technical research products are designed for those wanting to make their own decisions. The various portfolios, on the other hand, are for those wanting to follow specific and regimented strategies that suit their own needs. If you subscribe to the professional bundle, you have access to all areas of the service. Let's now review each service, starting with the original product, the ASX Chart Research. The ASX Chart Research is produced daily and covers 3 separate stocks or indices. Usually each symbol is updated every 2 to 3 weeks depending on market activity. Our focus tends to be on higher liquidity stocks where we see either an opportunity or an educational highlight. The most recent reports can be accessed using the navigation bar across the top here. All current reports can be accessed in alphabetical order using the scrolling navigation bar down the right side of the screen. Alternatively, you can select a symbol using the search functions, or you can even create your own watch lists with your favorite stocks using the Add to Watch List button. To access the most recent report, simply click on the required symbol link that you wish to review. In this case, we're going to have a look at the ASX 200, the XJO index. Obviously, we need a chart, so the first thing that comes up is the chart with all the appropriate annotations. We understand that these annotations may be complex to new users, however, we do offer various links within the resource library to help you along and educate you. Also understand, like anything worthwhile, a little practice does make perfect, so bear with us, and after a few weeks you'll get the hang of exactly what we're doing. Scrolling down a little bit further, we come to the video analysis, and this is a personal 2-minute to 3-minute video on what we think is going on in the stock, and it allows you to sit back, watch and listen to the analysis rather than having to read it. Scrolling a little bit further, we come down to the layman's discussion, and this is designed for the non-technical type who wants to straight to the point précis of the stock and the market direction. Below this, we have the technical discussion. This part delves deeper into the intricacies of the analysis and offers a real-time learning tool. Many subscribers build their own charts and annotate accordingly so they can track the progress of the analysis. Moving further down into the report, we put forward various suggestions on how you can pursue the stock and initiate positions regardless if you're a trader or a longer term investor. Lastly, you can review all our historic reports on any of the stocks by selecting the various archived files. The power setups are designed for short-term traders wanting specific buy and sell recommendations. There are two services available, the ASX power setups and the global power setups. The ASX power setups just cover ASX stocks. The global power setups, on the other hand, cover US stocks plus global commodities, indices and FX. Let's take a look inside the ASX power setups. Within each service, there are two portfolios, the discretionary portfolio and the systematic portfolio. As a subscriber, you will receive access to both portfolios within each service. The strategy capsule summary very briefly outlines a little bit about each service and what they offer. We strongly advise subscribers to take the time to read the appropriate information before doing any trading. Below here, we offer the market commentary. This is a brief outline of market activity to give subscribers some background feel of what's currently unfolding in the markets. It's important that this information also be assessed in conjunction with the individual trades themselves. The ASX systematic portfolio is based on the Turtle trading strategy, which is a long-only multi-channel breakout strategy. It is a 100% systematic and does not involve any discretion or prediction. The specific rules of the strategy are not disclosed. Suffice to say, there is enough information about the turtles on the web to give you a good idea of what we're doing. During sustained downtrends, the system will automatically switch off, and if so, it's annotated as such right here. As you can see now, the system is actually switched right off. To access the buy and sell signals for this particular strategy, simply download the daily spreadsheet, which is right here. It's available after 6 PM each evening, and when you download that spreadsheet, all you need to do is insert your account balance, your risk, and the spreadsheet will calculate how many shares to buy and sell. The discretionary portfolio, on the other hand, uses standard chart patterns. The charts are actually listed as you scroll down the page, and each listing gives you very specific buy and sell recommendations, as you can see. A summary of all trades and also trade management and position sizing is provided in the daily spreadsheet, discretionary daily download summary. And again, just like the systematic, you insert your account balance, you insert your risk that you require, and it will calculate how many shares to trade. The discretionary setups do trade on the short side when the broader market is trending down. We do give you suggested levels to buy and sell and where to take profit. And as you can see, these are updated on a daily basis or on an as-needed basis. You are welcome to make any changes and adjustments to the trading strategy as you see fit. And we also suggest that not every trade in this particular section be taken on their own merits, and it really depends on the style of trading that you are interested in. For example, some people prefer to use breakout trades, some people prefer to use pullback trades, other people are looking for quite specific patterns. So the idea is that we provide you the opportunities and then you decide which ones suit your own personality to go ahead and trade. Let's now take a look at the global power setups. To access these, we select either the button down the right hand side here, or alternatively we can go to the top navigation bar and select global power setups. The global power setups are exactly the same as the ASX power setups. That is, there are two portfolios, discretionary and systematic, and as a subscriber you get access to both and you can pick and choose which one suits you better. Scrolling down, and to access the systematic power setups, again exactly the same as the ASX systematic. We download that spreadsheet on a daily basis, and that will generate the buy and sell signals for you. Unlike the ASX systematic, the global systematic is a long-only mean reversion strategy, which basically means it is looking to buy dips in strongly uptrending market conditions. At the moment, as you can see, the system is turned off, and that is because the broader market trend is down at current times. To access the discretionary worksheet, again exactly the same as the ASX, you can download that worksheet by clicking on this link to get the Excel spreadsheet. The only difference between the ASX and the global is that the global contains US equities and also has additional markets such as commodities and foreign exchange. So if those markets appeal to you, or you can trade those through your provider, then there will be setups provided in that area as well. So again, scrolling down, you can see all the setups. On top we have the US equities, and as you get to the bottom of the page, you'll get all the global commodities. So the US and global power setups, short-term base trading for those looking to diversify away from the ASX markets. The next offering, the growth portfolio, is our most valued and popular product. It is also the vehicle which we use to manage money for outside investors, as well as manage our own personal self-managed super fund. It's been operating since 2006 with a non-compounded return of over 12% for the period, compared to the ASX return of under 2%. To access the growth portfolio, again very simply, select the button down here in the navigation bar to the right hand side, or alternately you can select the button across here at the top navigation bar. The growth portfolio is a 100% systematic and active investment strategy. It's used to capture longer term trends in equities. The average hold time is 6 to 8 months, making it perfect for a self-managed super fund. On average, it does about 30 transactions a year. It offers users a very simple yet proven way to manage their stock market exposure without the downside risks in vying with a buy and hold portfolio. We do recommend that new users watch our 2-hour instructional webinar, which was held back in April 2010, and there is also additional information, strategy discussion document, Monte Carlo simulations, tips and tricks. There's also another video, introductory video there that users can take a look at. To access the buy and sell signals, there is an Excel spreadsheet that can be downloaded or a zip file, and further down, once you get a hang of how the system operates, you can simply scroll down and take a look at the image, and that gives you the new pending entries and exits. Very, very simple strategy to use. You can use any broker. Personally, we use Macquarie, but E-Trade, CommSec, CMC Markets, etc. are brokers that can facilitate the trades in the growth portfolio. Our last portfolio is the self-managed super fund timer, and basically this is the growth portfolio except put on a weekly time frame. As a result, buy and sell signals are only updated on the weekend and can be initiated on the Monday morning. Like our other portfolios, you simply download the Excel spreadsheet, and that will tell you exactly what to buy and sell. Also, any new signals, buy and sell signals, are shown right here as well for those that do become comfortable without having to download the spreadsheet. So this is a weekly trend following strategy, long only for equities. Average hold period is about 9 months or a little bit longer, and it's for those people that are busy during the week, only want to look at the market once a week and place orders once a week on a Monday morning.